Hi, this is Toy Scout, and today we're gonna open 6 Play-Doh surprise eggs. I'm gonna start with this purple egg right here. Let's see what we have in here. Whoa, this is Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Alright, let's go with this orange one here next. Batman just fall off. Let's see. This is something green. We have the Riddler. Looks like he's gonna use his weapon on somebody. Alright, let's go with this red egg right here. Who's this? I don't know who this is. Oh, it's Batman's psychic, Robin. Okay. He can't stand, so I'm just gonna leave him like that. Next one, we have this green egg we're gonna open here. You see a fist? Wow, it's Batman himself. Look like he's gonna punch someone in the face. I think he wanna punch Robin because he's such a wuss, but he can't stand himself, so. Alright. Let's do the blue egg here. This is Mr. Ninja Turtle. Still have some Play-Doh here. Little weapon here. Just took his weapon off his hand. Get back on there. Okay. You can see. I'm not sure that's how you're supposed to hold it, but last but not least, we have this pink egg here. This look like the Flash. He's in a running position, as you can see. Can't stand either, so I'll just leave him like that. Alright guys, that's all the eggs we have for you today. Hope you guys like it, and be sure to subscribe. This is Toy Scout, and I'm out. Take care.